The Harper Creek subwatershed is approximately 1.92 kilometers squared, stretching approximately 3.2 kilometers. It is primarily residential, consisting of a large industrial structure, as well as some commercial and institutional establishments along Lansdowne Street. An estimated 7,500 people live in the watershed area and make up the second largest portion of the creek, at 31% of the total area. However, have the greatest impact regarding the imperviousness within the subwatershed. The parklands represent roughly 1/4 of the total watershed area, one of the largest undisturbed naturally treated areas within the city, and encompass a 2.9 hectare provincially significant swamp, heavily forested areas, open meadows, and a creek bed. Sustained by cold and fast-flowing groundwater, Harper Creek is home to one of the only remaining wild brook trout populations in southern Ontario. Aside from brook trout, there are roughly 60 identified plant species, 78% of which were found to be native to the area, and a wide variety of woodland, bird, and aquatic species that inhabit the Harper Park area, including endangered species like the five-lined skink, barn swallow, and butternut tree. However, due to factors like urbanization, important ecological features and biodiversity of the area have been negatively impacted. Impervious surfaces interrupt the natural flow and absorption of water, and are instead channeled to prevent flooding. However, consequently erode the areas they are channeled into. The flow of rain over impervious surfaces collect urban lifestyle pollutants like dirt, cleaning chemicals, litter, oil, food waste, fertilizers, road salt, etc. North American studies found that most stormwater runoff contains over 600 different contaminants and are potentially entirely responsible for the pollutant levels in local creeks rising above provincial water quality. Stormwater can be channeled into ponds or catch basins. Although the storm ponds can create habitats, when not properly maintained, overflow, still causing erosion and contamination. The increase in erosion leads to an increase of sediment while reducing vegetation, consequently affecting natural rainwater evaporation and soil strength, further worsening erosion levels, while also increasing water temperatures due to the lack of natural shade. The reduction of trees led to a 2013 study recording that 22.78% of the Harper Creek watershed was forested, below the 30% considered necessary to support forest-breeding birds and mammals not usually found within the city, like the sharp-shinned hawk, great horned owl, woodland jumping mouse, and snowshoe hare. Brook trout are sustained by cold and fast-flowing water, which in Harper Park comes from the groundwater seepage and cold water springs. The water pollution caused by the contamination of stormwater worsens brook trout habitat conditions as the increase in pollutants and sediment inhibit water flow, while toxic chemicals make the environment less hospitable. Moreover, fertilizer collected in stormwater promotes the growth of algae, which decreases oxygen levels within the water. This, combined with the increase in water temperature due to the reduction of natural shade, further negatively affect the brook trout. The creation of less impervious surfaces and increase in management of stormwater must be implemented, as it affects both human and environmental health, as well as local property value, the economy of the region, and the opportunity to study an elusive species.